Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be very different from my normal kind of video. I usually talk about Binance NFT. So in today's video, I'm actually going to give an answer to one of my subscriber that asked me a question. He said, how can he recover the money he has lost on Binance? So if you fall into the category that you have lost money on Binance, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover it easily. You don't need to be a crypto genius to be able to make money on Binance. I'm going to show you the easiest way you need to be able to do it. All you just need is a laptop or your mobile phone, and you need to be registered on Binance before you can even make money on it. Before we start this video, I want to send out my heart and love to everyone in Afghanistan. I know they are still passing through a lot of things, but my prayers goes out to them. As of yesterday, I heard that there was a bomb blast there and many innocent people died. So my heart goes out to them and my prayers too. I pray they continue to remain safe. So without waste of time, let's go into the video. First, if you are new to this channel, a like and a sub is going to be fantastic. I really appreciate this. So let's go into the video. How to know which cryptocurrency you should buy. First of all, you need to go to this website called CoinGecko. You need to go to the website. So as soon as you're in the website, there are a few things I need you to do so that you'll be able to know what cryptocurrency you need to pick. I'm going to show you two examples and how you can make those purchases on Binance. I'm here with a Binance dummy account which I use to test before I use my main cryptocurrency account to make the trade. But first, this is what you need to do. So we are going to come down to this list. All we are interested in now, we are looking for cryptocurrencies that have the highest volume in the last 24 hours. Note, we are looking for cryptocurrency that have the highest volume in the last 24 hours. That means we are looking for cryptocurrency which people are really investing on in the last 24 hours. So the first thing you need to do, if you're using a system, a laptop, it's easier to just click on the 24 hours. So as soon as you click on it, 24 hours volume, as soon as you click on it, you should be able to see how much of this cryptocurrency has been traded in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, Theta USDT is currently ranking as number 1. As you can see, so all you just need to do is to come down the list and look for cryptocurrencies that are not very popular. Note, cryptocurrencies that are not very popular, and also a cryptocurrency that has done well in the last 1 hour, in the last 24 hours, and last 7 hours. Note, as soon as you get to this point, you just need to click on 24 hours volume. We want to see the cryptocurrency that have been doing well in the last 24 hours. Then we are looking for a cryptocurrency that has something like this. In the last 1 hour, it is doing well. In the last 24 hours, it is doing well. And in the last 7 days, it is doing well. We don't need to pick a very popular cryptocurrency. We need to pick the one that is not very popular. So we are going to go through this list. As you can see, Cardano actually fits our criteria, but since it is a popular cryptocurrency, we just need to ignore it. So if you come down here, you can see one that fits our category, Solana, SOL. Right now it's selling at $93. In the last 1 hour, it has been doing well. In the last 24 hours, it has been doing well, and in the last 7 days, it has been doing well. So all you just need to do is open it, and we are going to look at more details about this cryptocurrency. So when you have clicked on it, all you just need to do is come down to the chart, and as you can see, there have been a steady growth of this cryptocurrency in the last 24 hours. Let's move it to 7 days, and as you can see, this is a very beautiful chart. So if I bought it about 7 days ago, I am making profit here. 7 days ago it was sold around $75, and today it is sold around 93. That is a huge profit. So when you have selected your cryptocurrency, the next thing you need to do is take its short form, SOL, go to your Binance, click on trade, go to classic. When you have gone to classic, we are going to look for this cryptocurrency Solana here on Binance. So as soon as the window has opened, you come to the right hand side of your screen, and click on Sol. I usually trade with USDT, so click on Sol/USDT. I usually buy any cryptocurrency with USDT. So as soon as you click on it, right now it is set at 1 week. As you can see, this is a cryptocurrency that is currently blowing up. So if you are looking at making quick profit, this is how you do it. So if I had bought this cryptocurrency 1 week ago, you see that it's on the green line, and whenever you see green line, it's making profit. Let's see how it has been in the last 1 day. In the last 1 day, as you can see, it has made a very huge profit. So if I bought it a day ago or even 3 days ago, I'm making profit. So that is just one. So if you're interested in buying this cryptocurrency, you can do so. Note, this is not financial advice. Note, I'm just saying that because in most cases, if it gets too high, it will eventually drop. But if you are careful about your study, you make sure you don't lose anything. So let's go back so that we can pick another cryptocurrency. I said I'm going to give you two. So we are looking for a cryptocurrency that fits our criteria, that has made good impact in the last 24 hours. So now you can see this one. So in the last 1 hour it is doing great, last 24 hours is doing great, and in the last 7 days is doing great. And people have invested this amount of money into that cryptocurrency. So let's check it out. ENJ. So we are going to find out if it's even available on Binance. But first, let's look at its chart. So as you can see, it has been up and down in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, it has been up and down. It started at $1.9, and right now it's going towards $2. So let's see how it has been in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, it started at $1.7, and as of today, it is 2 points. So you still make profit. You still make profit. You see, when it comes to cryptocurrency and investment, all you need to do is to be patient enough. Just have a deadline in your mind. I know there are some people that would have sold out as soon as it got here, or there are some people that would have sold out when it got somewhere here. So all I do is, whenever you've made any kind of investment, whether it's cryptocurrency or anything, hold on a little bit. Tell yourself, I want to keep this thing for 1 week, 1 month, and immediately after that set period of time, then you can withdraw. Don't withdraw as a result of panic. So we are going to look for this cryptocurrency now on Binance to see if it is available. So ENJ, as you can see it here, we are going to use USDT. So right now this is 1 day. In the last 1 day, I've made profit. Have you seen? Then let's look at the 1 week chart. So as you can see, in the previous week, since last month, it has been making very good profit, and it's going to continue that way because many people are investing in it. So what is our takeout from this video? Always remember, you have to always switch this 24 hours volume. You make sure as soon as you get to the website, you are clicking it just once, because if you end up clicking it more than once, you are going to get the cryptocurrency that have had the least investment in the last 24 hours. So when you click it just once, it will show you which one has the highest volume in the last 24 hours. Then what are we using to check our criteria? Make sure in the last 1 hour, 24 hours and 7 hours, the cryptocurrency is doing well. If it is doing bad in any of these, it is not good for you to invest in them. Number 3, make sure it is not a popular cryptocurrency, because if you were to invest in Cardano now, Cardano is very, very popular. It can go up and down following a tweet from any popular person. But if it is some that are not really popular, like Solana, I don't know how popular it is. I don't really know how popular it is. You have better chance of making profit. So this video was to give answer to one of my subscribers that said, how can he make money on YouTube? So if you have watched this video to the end, a like and a sub is going to be fantastic. Thank you very much for sticking to the end. I'll see you in my next video.